Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a video walkthrough on the Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard. It's equipped with a Mercury motor, 150 horsepower, roughly 175 hours of use. Check out the profile photos. Pretty blue hull on this one, black BIM top and black canvas enclosures. This 190 has a separate area to store your anchor, cushions up on the bow. Slow scan here for you, but are in good shape. Powder coat, flip up bolster on the driver's, and the helm seat is up. Down in the passenger seat, both of them go up and down. Got gray sea decking, glue down. The aft tow pylon there. Stepping on board, I've got this aft seat up. You've got great storage here. They've got a deflated inner tube they keep in here, but all kinds of good storage for everything from life jackets to water toys. Camera shots to focus here. We've got a flip up cooler here. Got a carry-on cooler back there in that compartment. Flip up cooler here. Here's that flip up bolster and the seat there. Designated storage in the floor here underneath that vinyl flooring. Simrad display over on the helm. Fusion stereo. This is a tilt wheel. Some storage underneath both of these cushions as well. Embroidered Sea Ray. Cushions are good shape. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video on the 190 SPX. Give us a call, 910-264-4818 and 910-264-4818. Thanks.